Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Friday as well. Gonna be doing another Fatwood burn, but more importantly, gonna be doing a channel shout out. But first I want to apologize to my buddy Joe at JB Outdoors and More. I got his channel name wrong last week. I said 78 Outdoors and More. That was my bad. It's all on me, 100%. I did message him on Facebook. I told him I was sorry. He just kind of laughed at me. Deserved. So my apologies. Let's go right to the channel shout out drawing. I didn't get any stickers this week, so still waiting for more. Hopefully they come. If not, we'll see what happens. So let's do the drawing and then we'll get back to it. Alright, let's jump right into this week's shout out. Not look. Who's today's shout out goes to, oh cool, the legend, Ron T Sawyer. Rock on. Good dude. Real good dude. I like his channel a lot. So, of course, I will link Ron's channel down below. And, yeah. Yeah, I wanted to throw this in before I light this Fatwood, and that's I posted a video on Facebook last week, and this gentleman was telling me how he went and watched a video from a prominent, YouTuber, one of the big channels that I always talk about, and this person took their ideas and made another video and ran and used all their ideas, and they basically copied what they did, the whole thing, copied it, and didn't give the person any recognition at all. No shout out, no where I got the idea. They just took it as their own and took all the credit for the idea. And I thought, well, what a crappy thing to do. I would never do that. When I see ideas, I always try to give props and give credit where credit's due. Like I mentioned something I saw on Oven's Rocky Mountain Bushcraft. He doesn't need my help. He doesn't need my tiny channel giving him a shout out, but I'm still going to say where I got the idea from because it's just the right thing to do. But I think it's pretty crappy to take someone's idea and then not even mention them. I keep looking at the view screen. Damn it all. Well, anyway, let's get this burn going. I just wanted to mention that because it's something that I've been talking about. It's a good example of what I've been talking about. So, all right. Alrighty. This Fatwood burn is going to be dedicated to all the little channels out there. All our silent heroes who aren't getting any love from YouTube or the big channels. Nice. There we go. That's for you guys. All of you. Nice little burn. Man, Fatwood is just so excellent. A little moment of silence for the little dudes. I'm gonna set it down, let it burn out, because it's a dedicated burn. It would seem wrong to stomp it out, so can't do that. That would be uncool. All right, just letting it burn out. You gotta be careful because someone sees it, they might freak. So, as always, don't forget to check out Ron T Sawyer, the legend, and JB Outdoors and More. Two good channels, good dudes, which I don't have a sticker from Ron yet, so maybe I have to send him a self-addressed stamped envelope. It's like, hey, I want a damn sticker, man. Hook me up. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.